So you ruin your photos without even realizing it? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Here's one of the most powerful habits you can build, and it costs you absolutely nothing. It's called a 2-second background check. Before you press the shutter, just pause for 2 seconds and scan the edges of your frame. Not the middle, the edges. Because your brain locks onto the subject and ignores everything else. Good photography means overriding that instinct. So ask yourself, is there anything brighter than my subject? Is there anything sharp or busy pulling my eye away? Are there lines or shapes cutting through my subject? Is there anything I missed at first glance? This is where most photos fall apart. Not in the center, but around the edges. It's like proofreading a sentence. The idea can be great, but mistakes are what people notice. And if you want to go deeper on this, check out episode 6 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.